j'ai des fautes.
Alright, let's go.
D'accord.
Mama! Flop like a chicken! Flop like a chicken! One, two, press,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Keisha and this is KeshLives. On this channel, I share all things Christian faith, lifestyle, family, and just my daily life. Donc bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube, mon nom c'est Keisha. Ici c'est KeshLives. Je partage ma vie avec vous. Je partage un peu par rapport à la foi chrétienne, la famille, le lifestyle, juste la vie en général. So thank you so much for being here. Today is Friday, December 19th. Oh, what am I saying? Today is Friday, December 16th, okay? This is probably gonna go into my second VLOGMAS episode. So yeah, we are about 9 days away from Christmas. So I'm just sharing a bit of my everyday life until Christmas. If you don't know anything about VLOGMAS, it's something that YouTubers do. Some of them, they'll do daily, but I really don't have the energy for that. And I don't have the time to edit every day like that. I'm gonna try to do it weekly. Donc c'est ça. Aujourd'hui, c'était une journée tranquille. Journée très tranquille. It's snowing a lot here, guys. I heard that it started in other provinces before here, but I'm gonna show you what I woke up to this morning because I was very shocked. There was nothing on the floor yesterday. Can you imagine? So yeah, I'm currently on lunch break. I'm currently on my lunch break. Oh, this is a nice angle. Yeah, that's where I'm at, guys.
I'm his #1 fan. Show the proof. Show the proof, give it.
Zara, what are you doing?
I'm shopping with my sissies that I pretend to love.
Yo, that's going on YouTube. That's definitely going on YouTube là. Ça t'apprendra. Very excited and very blessed.
For what? Excited for what?
Christmas. Today is December 19th. So Christmas is in about 5 days. Well, 6 days to be precise. So I'm very excited because I know I'm going to eat well.
What are you gonna eat?
Everything. Plantain, rice, and chicken. And Pillsbury cookies.
Okay.
Ça, c'est quand t'es tanné là. On est fatigué, les amis, man. She's over it, man. See there? Guys, we're all very tired. Look at our faces. Yo, je sais pas si tu nous envoies ici pour vrai là.
Because the week just started like
Oh, I'm so tired, man.
Bye, Sally.
Okay, guys, I just want to say something that I really, really hate underground parking. This is something very random about me. When I was a kid, I watched a movie and there was a very violent scene in underground parking. And ever since then, I had a horrid feeling about underground parkings. Even if I'm not the one driving, I hate it.
I call you crazy, cause you're gracious.
Wow. Gracious. Hello friends. I'm currently shopping with my sister. Not sure what's going on there, but so I'm gonna show you guys because, you know, as I always say, I love everything Christmassy, guys. Everything Christmas is really, you know, it's giving what it's supposed to give. It makes me happy, joyful. I'm gonna show you. This guy my vlog.
I see nothing.
She did. What is this? Guys, I'm buying some little bags. I like to have extra bags in case. Hello friends. I'm a Winners Home Sense. My sister shopping. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Wow. Oh, the pillow is lighting up, guys. It's so cute. Holiday decorations.
What is this? Oh, it's a super long, it's a boost.
I love these arch mirrors. You like it?
Makes me feel like a princess.
Mirror, mirror. Think of myself. Wow. That was quite special. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is December 23rd, okay? We only have 2 more days until Christmas and I'm very excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm very excited. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, so maybe like this is gonna be after Christmas. But anyways, so I'm done work for today and today's Friday, but I'm only going back to work on Wednesday. I have 4 days off, so I'm very excited about that. And in the spirit of excitement, I just want to show you guys our Christmas decorations around the house. I want you to see how we've set up the house, getting ready for Christmas. We're gonna have a little family supper on Sunday. I just want to show you a little bit of the decorations, okay? So enjoy this, guys. So first up, we have the fireplace. As you can see here, we've installed some garlands. This is Sharice's doing. She added some little, how do you call these, Christmas balls. Okay, hey, you can see me in there. Wow, I'm so cute. Cute. Anyways. You can see the Christmas balls here. Okay, very cute. And then we have like some little Christmas stockings here. This one says Noel, Christmas. This one's just like a little birdie. This one says joy, joie. This one says joie, joy. And this one says peace, ou la paix. I love it. So then you have here the mini Christmas houses. I really like this one with the little gingerbread man. And we have another one right here. Very cute, I love it. So I'm going to show you the full view here. Wow. Christmassy, Christmassy, Christmassy. So my little sister, aka Sharisa, really loves the Grinch. So she bought like some Grinch themed pillowcases. So I just want to show it to you guys, okay? So we have this first one here that says hate, 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 okay? This one here says Merry Grinchmas. And this one here says stink, stank, stunk. The last one, it says Merry Whatever. If you don't know the story of the Grinch, I think you should really watch it because it's just funny and cute. I just want to show you guys our beautiful mistletoe. So pretty. I'm gonna put it here on the door so you guys can see. Very pretty. Wow. Should I zoom in? Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Ooh. So I want to show you also our beautiful Christmas wreath. Wow. Very pretty. Very Christmassy. Alright guys, so that's the end of this vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it. You know, I'm really excited for Christmas and I want you guys to leave me a comment, okay? Let me know what you're doing for Christmas or what you're planning to do for Christmas or just the holiday season. Anything special that you have planned, anything you're excited about, just leave me a comment. Or let me know what you enjoyed about this vlog. And as always, make sure that you check out my other videos and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Happy holidays!